Hello everybody! So for my next jigsaw I chose this one. So this is from Buffalo. It has got 500 pieces and it is T'Challa, so Black Panther. I just saw the second movie last week. Was it last week? Yeah, last week. And I must admit it wasn't as good as the first one, but well, since Chadwick Boseman died and all this, so I understand why it's not that good, but they did the best they could, I think. But I really love the IP, I really love the character, and I think this image just looks amazing. So I'm a bit scared because I think it might be a little bit tricky because of all of the black, but I'm glad it's just 500 pieces and not 1,000. And yeah, let's see where we begin. I might sort the pieces for the shape or something, because this might end up a bit tricky. So okay, let's start the jigsaw. Okay guys, so now we've got the Black Panther, and as you can see, I completed it. So it wasn't that easy. I had to sort the pieces by shape at some point, but then it was okay. So Buffalo's quality is quite good, so that wasn't a problem. Yeah, I enjoyed this jigsaw. I'm happy that there are just 500 pieces. I think with 1,000 it might have been a little bit more tricky, but yeah, that was fun. So, T'Challa, may he and Chadwick Boseman rest in peace. That was a real tragedy. Okay, we see us on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.